Hi, I'm Glenn Grider, and this training video is for SecurAmerica, and it explains how to order your invitations to the 110% Club Gala to be printed and shipped to your location from us. So we will go to our website, cf-m.com, and over here to the right you have the client portal, and we'll use a single system access for the entire organization at this point. So each region will log in using SecurAmerica in lowercase letters, and the password is also SecurAmerica in lowercase letters. And you'll press enter. And the first screen you see is the shipping screen. This is where you tell us where you want the printed materials to be shipped. There's a drop down right here that has all of the regional offices in it, and they should have corresponding addresses. If there's something wrong in here, you can actually just type right over the top of it and click the update shipping information, and it'll save to the order. But this looks good, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit update shipping information and move along. Alright, the first screen you see here is the catalog page, and there are 3 available items. You have the envelope, you have the invitation itself, and then the outside of the program. For the inside of the program, we are going to ask that you email either myself or Lori Beaver at the address that you see on the screen. And what we'll need are the members of the 110% Club for 2015 in your region. We'll also need to know who the RVP is that's handling the welcome and introductions, and also the RVP that is participating in the closing remarks. Okay, so now that we know what to do with the inside of the program, let's talk about what to do with the return envelope, the invitation itself, and the outside of the program. And we'll start with the envelope. You have this little drop-down box above the order button, and it'll tell you that you can choose 1 pack of 10 up to 6 packs of 10 for a total of 60. If you need more, let us know via email, and we will accommodate you, of course. All right, so we'll choose 3. And then we'll place order. And then we'll see here where we have an image of the return address itself. And we also have this user panel over here, and you'll need to add yourself as a new user. So let's add in Jane Doe. And then you'll see these data fields right here. And these are what corresponds to the return address on the envelope itself. And we'll need to fill those in with the return address for the envelope. We've made it easy for you. If you click this select location box, it brings up this little window, and from within here you should be able to choose your region. It pre-fills all of the fields with the proper address. You click select, and then you click save and proof. And it will generate the art that the printer is actually going to use to manufacture these return envelopes. And what you want to do is just be sure that this address right here is correct and that it looks right. And if it does, you'll click approve. And I'll take you to the shopping cart. From here, real quick, you can see that you've got 3 packs of 10 of the envelopes for the 110% Club invitation, shipping to Mary Brown in Atlanta. Okay, so from here, you can delete the order altogether, you can delete the individual line items, or you can check out. If you press the checkout button, then this is a live order in our system, and these envelopes will be produced. You can also continue shopping to move on to the invitation or the program. So we'll hit continue shopping, and we're back to the catalog page. Okay, so let's move on to the invitation itself. Again, we'll come in here and we'll do 3 packs. We'll click order. And now that we've added ourselves previously to the system, we'll still be here. So we'll find Jane Doe over here and click on her. And now we have some additional data fields that pertain to different parts of the invitation itself. So we'll just fill in the data as necessary. So we'll have the date. And I'm just going to key in some information here. Let's see the email, Jane. The time. So we'll do, say our event is going to be from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. Key in the phone number for the RSVP. The location, name, so we'll just pretend we're doing this at the Westin Peachtree Plaza Hotel, and that'll be at, let's say, 123 Main Street. We'll remove the suite number in Atlanta, Georgia 30305, and we'll need the RSVP date, so we'll say that ours is going to be 1st 2015. Once we have all the data the way we like it, we'll hit Save and Proof. And that will generate the art for the invitation itself. So I can see that it's going to be on May 1st from 6 to 9:30 p.m. at the Westin at 123 Main Street in Atlanta. And please RSVP by April 1st to Jane Doe at this number and or this email. And what you want to do is just make sure that the invitation, that the data on it and the way it looks is the way you actually want it to look, because this is what the printer is going to use to manufacture the actual card itself. Also, if you notice, you'll have these little Adobe tools that kind of fly in and fly out. So if you'd like to print this and or save it and just go and look at it, or have somebody else take a look at it, you can do that. And you can just cancel and log off. And when you come back in, all this information will still be saved, and you can place your order at a later date if you like. If it looks good to you, you can click Approve, and it will be added to the shopping cart. So we'll hit Continue Shopping and go ahead and pick up the outside of the program. So very quickly, we'll scroll over here, do 3 packs, click Order, find my name. I'll need to select if it's a lunch or a dinner, and then we'll have to select the region. Click Save and Proof. And that will generate art for the outside of the program, and that shows up right here. It's an awards dinner in the Atlanta region, May 1st. I like the way that looks, so I will click Approve. And now I can look at my cart and see that I've got 3 packs of 10 of the invitation, the envelope, the invitation, and the outside of the program in and of itself. And if I like all that, I will go ahead and hit Checkout Items, and that will actually place the order. Okay, so once you hit the Checkout Items button right here, I'm not going to do it because it would place a live order in my system. However, it will give you a confirmation page that is red. It looks very similar to this. And I would recommend possibly printing that for your records right here. And when you're done with that, you basically press the log off button, and that will cycle you back to our home page. Okay, so if you have any issues with getting these orders placed for the invitations, feel free to email Lori or myself, and we'll try to help you out as best we can. Thanks for watching.